Boom. Yo, what is up, you guys? It is last Sunday of every month. You know what that means. It's Alien Octane Day. I'm already running late for our pre-meet, so let's get the fuck out of here. Boom. Alright guys, we just got here. There's some cars lined up. I gotta get a drink real quick because we're about to roll out, but I did want to get some footage of all the cars that came to our little pre-meet. Not Ty, actually pull it up while we film it. Dude, that's awesome. Fuck. Yeah. Yeah.
Something far over, and I bet that we could find a way closer. Never wanted to put all of this in your head, but I guess in the we're only friends. But I guess in the we're only friends.
Hey, we got another LS on Teslas. Gang, let's go. We got a drink. We had our pre-meet. Everyone's out here. We're getting ready to parade over to the actual meet. And let's go get a drink, have some fun. Sheesh. Got the whole gang. Oh, everybody's parking up. What? Dude, we brought the gang. This motherfucker. Hi, Emily. Yeah, we bobbed out today. I'm pumped. All right, first things first, we need to grab a drink, and then we're gonna go take to Bitter's cool car, things like that. Boom. These guys just pulled up in an AutoZone. Look at this thing. Wow. An AC1. That's so sick.
The birds are holding on.
Bro, what do you want?
You were a definition of Filipino. No, what the
Dude, there's so many insane cars here. Like, today's such a good turnout. Like, it's freaking... Boom! Alright, you guys. Sorry about that. My phone died. We were having fun. But, we got to see some cool cars. We're on our way home right now. So, we're just going to try and finish this drive up. Hey, you guys. We're at home. If you guys had fun walking around the meet and enjoying stuff like I did, please like the video. If you guys want to stick around, hit the subscribe and leave a comment down below of what your favorite car was. And other than that, we'll see you guys next time. Pride, Solomon, I'm out.